the generic brand version of a Keurig if you ain't got the money, okay? Hello, I am Cynthia Nicole, and this is
Cynthia.
And today we're going to be trying Chulux.
And this is, I have a bow with, and I have earrings.
So she's talking about her cup that somebody made.
And this is glasses for my mom.
And then this is my cup. You'll see it a little later.
Yeah.
So Amazon Prime was Monday and Tuesday, and I don't know if they have any more days, but I always wanted to get a Keurig, but I saw the price and I was like, it's still good, I guess. But this Chulux popped up. It was like a sponsor ad, and I was like, what? So I paid $39.99 for it plus tax, and it's normally $50 to $60. I was like, oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's it. So we're gonna unbox it. You wanna help me unbox it? It's like a Christmas gift. Okay, we got it out. I wanted to get a blue one.
But I want to have the green one.
She wanted the green one. I wanted the blue one. So I got the blue one. Alright, this is what it looks like. And of course, it always comes with instructions. So it's only for 12-ounce cups, right? So if you drink more than 12 ounces of coffee, this one might not be one for you, unless you take multiple cups a day of coffee, so to speak. So remember, 12 ounces is the capacity. Okay, I'm kind of bored looking at the instructions. I'm just gonna try it out myself. We're gonna see if I got this. I'm pretty sure it should be common sense, right? Maybe it's not that common sense. Maybe wait. Y'all, I was trying to lift it.
Really?
It's right here. I'm kind of slow sometimes, you know.
I can pick it up here.
You can?
Yeah. Well, where'd the charger go? Where'd the charger go?
I'm gonna go wipe it off because I don't really trust it. We don't know where it's been, so we want to wipe it off. Alright, so I finally got it plugged up. This is what the inside looks like. And I've never bought a coffee maker ever. So I probably should have read the instructions, but hey, if I mess up, I'll just read them and start over. So this was on the inside. I don't know what it's called. I'm assuming that's where the water goes. So I have a water bottle here. Okay. I'm assuming. I don't know. Your girl don't know. Okay, so we have this, right? So I locked and loaded it with the water. All right, so the on button is right here. Look at her. Isn't her cup too cute? So I have my own cup.
And me too.
I originally was going to do this video by myself, but she wanted to join. So, we're going to use her cup. We're not going to use my cup. And let's give this a try. Let me know what type of coffee you drink and what's good coffee. I still put cream and sugar in my coffee, but I'm trying to wean myself off and start drinking black coffee. I bought this. I know it's cheap. I know it's cheap. But hey, I bought that. And I'm not a huge coffee drinker either. I'm not going to sit here in front. So I don't know why I bought this. I guess it was because it was Amazon Prime Day. And I was like, let me get something I've always wanted. It on, I put the water in, and I didn't realize the instructions were already on there, so that was great that I didn't have to read the packet. It's been maybe 2 minutes. Oh, it's going out.
That's why you have to wait.
You're right. I wasn't patient. You're right.
Chocolate.
It's not chocolate, love. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Don't you like it? Doesn't it smell good? Okay, so this cup might not be big enough. It's slowing down, I was about to say, because trust me,
it's done. That's why you have to wait.
Okay, so I really pulled out these cups because they're cute. I'm not gonna sit here and lie. I was gonna get a smaller cup. I'm kind of glad I didn't get a smaller cup. So you just have to push the stop button beforehand, so you can't walk away from this. Okay, if you got a smaller cup, you have to stay and wait, like Gigi said. You said you just need to wait.
Yeah, wait for it 2 minutes so you could go and have them first.
Out of the mouths of babes, y'all. Hold up, let me fix this coffee. And the good thing about this machine is, as soon as the coffee is done, the machine just turns off. So that's a plus. All right, so I tried my little, I don't know what I'm gonna call them, my blue bullet. Maybe that's what I might call them, blue bullet. It was great. The heating process, I think was a little bit longer than a Keurig, but for the price, I say go for it. I think this was a good buy, and I'm gonna have to give it a 5 stars. I mean, I don't see anything wrong with it. The only downside, actually I don't really see a downside for the price, so I would get it, and this is not a sponsorship. Okay, so please like, comment, subscribe, share this channel, and I will see you all next time. And I hope you all had a fantastic Amazon Prime days. Okay, hope you didn't spend all your money, and I hope everybody has a blessed day. So thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.